So let us see why fetal wounds heal better than adult wounds. Apparently, fetal wounds heal in a totally scarless manner. Let us see the reasoning behind these things. So the fetal fibroblast migration occurs at a much faster rate. They synthesize greater total collagen as compared to the postnatal fibroblast. The rate of repair is faster in fetus as compared to that of adults. Rate of collagen synthesis is faster, epithelialization is faster. Therefore, wound healing is better. There is decreased inflammatory cellular infiltrate in fetal wounds. The receptors and modulators for growth factors are more in fetal wounds, and the fetal wound matrix have more hyaluronic acid. So more hyaluronic acid stimulates more fibroblast migration and probably affects the extracellular matrix deposition. So these are the reasons why fetal wounds tend to give a better scar as compared to adult wounds.